Move the block up here. Try and push that out, tap some stuff around, and hopefully it comes out nice. But I think shape here, you can see it dips in, it needs to dip out slightly. So hopefully that block right here does the trick. Not bad for a rough out. I'm gonna put in the retainer here and see what we got, but I think we're making progress in the right direction. Oh man, just mudded off, just looking mint. I'm gonna pound out this. The idea is you want to get your panel dimensions first, so your edge is like this, and then you get body lines if there are, then high crown, low crown. But let's get the panel dimensions good here first and sort this out right after. It's just like I need this. I can hit it straight up, but I almost need to hit it more at a downward angle. Really push on the line and not just off to the side right there, but right in there. But I just can't. Need to figure something out. Enter broken chisel body hammer. And shout out Rigid for this hybrid light. We're gonna get in here. We're gonna start beating it. Now that is what I'm looking for. Just perfectly flush right there. Need to hit it a bit more from there. Yeah, we're getting there. There you have it. Now I just got to deal with this. It's low right here, it's high right there. I can move that metal here. If not, shrink it maybe. I don't know. Figure it out. Yellow paint, that only means one thing. They met a pole. Look at this blue. This is a really nice blue. Just finishing up the post-repair scan. We ended up painting this whole side. She looks really good. There's that Q1 tape. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. It's brand new. Oh, they say it's supposed to blizzard. 30 centimeters. Put the bucket right there. Skiddy right there. Everything's inside. Easy to clear snow Sunday evening. Let's go.